What's up, everybody? The 1B back with another video editing process video. Let's do new project. Let's find our folder that we want to be editing in. Video editing squared is what I'm calling this. Today's video is on, what is this? What am I editing? Video editing, a video editing video for Star Trek Recap Season 2. Alright, so this is why I have created a folder called Video Editing Squared, because I'm getting in-depth on some of these video editing videos. So we're going to say this is video editing, Star Trek, Star Trek TOS Season 2, Star Trek TOS Season 2 thumbnail creation. Alright, and I've yet to fix that. That's driving me nuts. And we are going to, obviously not enough to change it though, right? So if you didn't notice, I've made a change here. You can kind of see my mouse disappearing. Move the video camera up a little bit so that you can kind of see what I'm doing down in here. I noticed in some of my previous recordings that you couldn't see what I was doing here. Not that it's super vital, but I'd like to give you as much visual of what I'm doing as possible. So we're going to find out. This is April 18th, 2020. And it's 4/8/33. 4/8/33. Did I say April? April 18th? Yep. Okay. Bring that down into the project, which you probably didn't see. I basically drag it here and into here. Now it's back under there. Video editing. Right here. YouTube, end screen. Drop that in. Drag over into timeline. Unlink. Oops, I was holding caps. Wait a second. So Control Z undoes that. Control Shift Z redoes it. I thought maybe I moved this timeline a little bit when I was trying to drag it up, but I don't need to do that, right? We're going to just delete the extra tracks. So this will delete any of these tracks that are unused, and you just got to make sure and delete or check the, like, this will delete the video tracks, so it'll delete these two, and then this will delete the extra audio tracks. We'll delete those three, and then we will trim the beginning of this. My eyes are closed. We're going to start here, and I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to hit Control K, which splits it. We're going to select the second portion. Actually, before we do that, let's link them back up. Then we'll hit Control K, and then this is selected. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. And then I'm going to hit Control Delete. No, did that not do it? Oh, that got to be in the timeline. Control Delete. No. Shift Delete. That's the one I want. Sorry. So I was trying to find the ripple hotkey, and I looked it up, and I just, that was the first time that I've, is that the first? It's probably not the first time I've used it, but you know. Okay. Watch for those, and that's it. Peace. Right there. Control K again. Select. Shift Delete. Gone. And so that Shift Delete is just a ripple. There's nothing there. Anyway. Then we're going to select that to the front. Go to the effects. Where the heck's the effects at on this? No clip selected. Oh. And turn up the volume. You got to make sure your volume's high. Like I say, that this is something that I say every time, is it's better to have people turn you down than not to be able to turn you up, right? So you want to be able to be heard. Sometimes you go too high, so you got to make sure and watch out for that, but most parts you're going to be fine, and they'll turn you down. And nobody's told me, hey, your videos are too loud. Not yet anyway. All right, save. And then we're going to export media. This is video editing, Star Trek, the original series, season 2, recap, thumbnail creation, or video editing. It was on video editing, I'm pretty sure. Let's go back over and double check that. Okay, fine, we'll queue it. So Adobe Media Encoder is going to come up. So yeah, this is me video editing the thumbnail creation. Yep. So I think, what did I name it? Let me change this last little bit there. Creation. I was waiting for that. I actually said I was going to sneeze in my intro. Then I stopped the recording, and then I restarted it because I couldn't get it to happen. It's been 7 minutes and 39 seconds since that happened. Holy cow. All right, anyway, so right here, you'll hit the start queue, and this will start encoding and rendering processes. So I'm going to do that, and thanks for watching. So, peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.